Yeah.
Mr.
All right. Yeah, sure. Okay, let me download. Oh, I don't know what happened to my laptop. I will fix it later. Okay, but then for now we will continue here. Okay, let me share my screen. Just a moment. Oops. Okay, where we are now. Okay, so how about, yeah, let me ask you some questions. All right. How do you spend your money every day?
Mm,
Well, you spend it on shopping.
okay. Um, who? Who answer?
Yeah, if who wants to answer now, it's fine to me.
Okay. I will say first.
All right, yeah, sure. Okay, so man's first.
Okay. Um. Every day, in the working day from Monday to Friday, I don't spending much money. Just breakfast, coffee, um, yeah, and some money for sport
Mhm.
such as football, table tennis. Yeah, not much. but in the weekend day, I spending a lot of money for drinking, for hang out, hang out with my friend, drinking beer with my friend. Yeah, so I think in the weekend day, it is a it it is a free time, but I am not free. I'm I'm feel tired for that day and spending a lot of money.
Not you are only, like not only your physical body tired, but of course your pocket is also tired. Is it?
Yeah, that's right. But I feel funny.
Yeah, of course you have fun. Of course you have you also happy. So yeah,
Yeah,
that is the important there. So
yeah,
as long as you're happy, yeah, it's okay. As long as you are not asking money for others. Yeah, you can
yeah,
spend it. It's your own money. So yeah. you have freedom to you have freedom to spend it, right?
so I'm not a good saver.
Yeah, so maybe yeah, yeah, of course I also not good in saving. I understand that. Okay, so thank you so much for that. Anything else, Mr. Tommy?
um, no, that all.
Yes, that would be all. All right. So thank you so much for that. All right. So how about Nareen? How will you spend your money and daily life?
Uh, spend the money. I go to shopping. Uh, go to hang out with my friend. Um, and sometimes I go to play badminton with Mr. Tommy and my friend. Yeah. Uh, be, uh, uh, because I study master, so got the card.
Mm. Mm-hmm,
Got
card.
I yes. So a lot of money.
All right, I see.
Yeah.
All right. So thank you so much for that, guys, for sharing. All right. Of course. Yeah. Yeah. For me, maybe. Yeah. Maybe next time I will spend, or I will keep, or I will save sometime. You know. Okay. So let's have here. All right. So. Okay. So let's talk about money. So here as some things or some cost or some idea where or some things we are spending our money. So we go shopping, yes, yeah, and gift, so buying some gift, right? Traveling, food, and of course sometimes we donate on charity. So all right, let's discuss it. Okay, let's have shopping first. Okay, yeah. Oh, sorry. Okay, so here, Narain, how do you spend your money on shopping?
I when go to shopping, I buy the shirt and um, I don't know the shirt and t-shirts.
T-shirts, uh-huh.
Yeah,
T-shirts, shoes, is it?
shoes and
Mhm.
the bag.
Bags.
Yeah.
Wow. All right, that's nice. How about groceries? Guys, you didn't tell me that you are buying groceries. Mr. Tommy buying beers, spending with her friends.
Beside that, I have some hobbies like manga, like comic, you know,
Hmm.
comic, comic,
Comic.
manga,
Oh, manga, magazine.
comic manga, yeah. So
Uh-huh.
yeah, so I bought a lot of yeah, that
Oh,
comic.
you buy some comic book or manga magazine.
Yeah,
Wow.
I have about 1,000 manga book.
Wow, it's a lot of manga book. Wow,
So
what is your favorite manga book, Mr. Tommy?
yeah, so sometimes I I I see someone sell the book I like. So
Mhm.
I will buy it. So yeah, that is um,
Your hobby.
that is the thing I shopping.
Oh, so when you go shopping, you just buying mangas or comic books.
Yeah,
Wow.
Mm.
about the else thing my going to buy for me. So I don't care about it.
All right. So I think you have, if you will sell your manga or if you will sell your magazines, maybe, you can have or your money will back to you, maybe, if you will sell all those mangas. Have you finished reading all those mangas, Mr. Tommy?
No, honestly, I just reading a little bit up up on them.
Mm.
So yeah, I am trying to read them much, but I don't have free time much for it. Yeah, you know.
All right. So you are only buying it and just keeping.
Yeah, keeping.
Wow. Wow. That's nice. All right. Okay. So do you like reading or like just only your hobby to buy manga?
I like novel, you know. I like
Ah.
novel, you know. I like reading the fantastic fantastic novel, but Chinese Chinese fantastic novel, you know, about
Oh.
about um, yeah, I don't know way to say, so I will search for that.
Is it fantasy movie or fantasy magazine?
Yeah, Chinese.
Fantasy.
Yeah,
Chinese.
fantastic.
Oh.
Yeah, that's right. Tu Tiên, yeah, that's right. I uh, I always listen listen Tu Tiên. Yeah, Tu Tiên that that hướng chất right in the chat book. Yeah.
Ah,
So
fairy.
I always listen the audio, that novel audio in my office when I working. You know, I will listen it and working together day by day.
Oh. That's nice to hear. Wow, I just want no I just only knows that I'm not always asking this for a man if they are reading a magazine. So um yeah, I this is the first time that I met the a man likes to read a fantasy magazine. Wow. So because most of the men I know, so they just like, watching action movies or, you know, horror movies. Yeah. But for you, you like a fantasy or a fairy or that, yeah, it's also fantasy. It called fantasy because that is like, just only we will see it on a fairy tale.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
see.
so it's called a fantasy. Wow, that's nice. Okay, so
Yeah.
thank you so much for that, Mr. Tommy. All right. Do you want to something to add?
No. I don't
That's
remember.
all. Do you? All right. Okay, so thank you so much again for that. All right. So for
Uh,
you, you're just spending, or you just spending shopping for a fantasy comic book and fantasy magazine. So wow, that's perfect.
beside that, sorry, beside that, um I have aquarium. You know, I have aquarium glazing aquarium. So
Mhm.
yeah, sometime I will buy the fish and the plant for
Mhm.
that. Yeah, yeah,
Oh, aquarium like have fish, right?
yeah.
They have
Aquarium.
fish.
Yeah, for both of fish and plant.
Oh, wow. How big is it? How
Um,
big is your aquarium?
yeah. I will take a picture for you.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. All right. How about you, Narine? Do you have fish?
Selfish.
Yeah. Do you have aquarium too? So aquarium is a fish like, if a dog has a doghouse, so of course a fish have an aquarium?
So sorry, I don't know Aquarius.
Oh,
What does it
aquarium.
mean?
Yeah, sure. Wait a
Aquarium.
moment. Aquarium. Is it?
Aquarium. Yes, that I know, I know.
Yeah. Do you have?
Uh, um, I don't have it because I live in a room. It's small.
Ah, so you don't have any space. Oh, all
Yeah,
right. That's
yeah. But I know aquarium. Meter told me because I go home.
oh, you have
I go
been
home. Meter told me.
already. Oh,
Yeah.
so is Mr. Tommy and your house was close?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. How have aquarium so big. Um. See. Many fish.
Wow, many fishes. Yeah, because
Yeah.
I have before, I have an aquarium before, but that is on my old house. So we already move on to the new house. So yeah, I didn't get my fish on the other house or on the our old house. Yeah, that's why I'm asking because I like fish. Yeah, I like pets. Actually, I like pets. So I like dogs, birds, and of course a fish. So I have goldfish before, so this much big. The koi fish. Do you know koi? Koi fish?
Koi. Koi.
Yeah, yeah, koi. Yeah, we have that one for before. Mr. Tommy.
Tell me.
But sorry, my fish
We waiting for you.
yeah,
Sleeping?
my
Is
fish
your fish sleeping?
and I die a lot. So
Oh!
so just the plan. Yeah, I think I will show for you only the plan.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Oh, sorry, I sent the wrong group.
Oh, that's
Oh,
nice. Wow, it's big. Wow. Oh, that's big. All right. So that's like it looks like a forest.
Yeah, but it in it is not beautiful now. It is not because I don't have much I don't have much time for take care. Is in recent days, so it is not beautiful. It is not some.
Oh, yeah. So, yeah. Um yeah, I hope you can taking care of them someday.
Yeah,
Okay, if you are not busy.
yeah,
All right.
by the way, I will show you the manga. Yeah, the manga. My manga.
Mm-hmm. All right. So thank you so much for that. Okay. Do you have any questions? Wow, that's a lot of mangas. Wow.
um,
Yeah, it's a lot.
I think so. Spend many people, a lot of people.
Different kinds of fantasy. Is it all fantasy or it's only or it's mixed magazine? Wow.
Yeah.
Is it mixed? Manga, fantasy, drama,
Uh,
comedy.
a lot of Thai of manga. but I think I like the action manga the most.
Is
So
it all Chinese magazine or
oh, mm, they the Japan manga.
oh, it's depend on the manga.
Yeah,
All
so
right.
they are translated in Vietnamese.
Oh, most of them is Vietnamese, is it?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, right. Okay. So how about Japanese magazine? Do you buy Japanese magazine?
Yeah,
Yeah, all right. Because if I know, Japanese magazine or Japanese people is very good in doing magazine, right?
yeah,
Manga.
that's right. That's right.
Mhm.
They are
Yeah.
famous.
Yeah, they are famous on doing or making mangas.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's right.
but uh I don't have, hobby to read mangas, but I like reading no, I like listening rather than uh I read because I'm always sleepy when wow, what is it? When I was
Wow.
reading. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, is
Yeah.
that for you, Miss Huang? Wow, that's nice. Oh, so
Mm,
you are manga's lover.
Mid Hương, do you listen and reading the Two Tiên book, Two Tiên novel?
Sorry?
Um, no,
I
I'm not.
I
I'm not
uh,
reading two teen books. I'm reading Boy Loves.
có love,
Yes.
ngôn tình.
What is it?
I don't know
What
about.
Sorry.
Sorry.
What is it? What kind of magazine is that? Is that um
Because I see you know about Two Tiên, so I ask you about that.
Is
oh
is two teen is a novel that's talking about people how to practice to be immortal.
Motto.
oh all right. Like practice to be an immortal. Like they are an exorcism? Is that what you meant?
Mm, or pardon.
Oh yeah, is that like exorcism?
I don't know that.
Yeah,
Sorry.
that those are um those are people who are you know those
I
are
think
people.
I think that's do you know Journey to the West from Chinese? It's so famous.
Oh yeah, yeah, I'm sorry about that, but since I'm not I'm not good in reading, and I'm not,
Yeah,
or
yeah,
of course I
that's
don't have,
okay.
yeah, I don't have time. Actually, I don't have time to read magazine.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, just that's why I'm just asking if what is it so that I just only imagine. All
okay.
right.
Yes, that's fine. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Yeah, may I know what kind of oh yeah, is it all of that kinds of magazine you are only reading, Miss Huang, or that is mixed magazine? For those are a lot of books. Is that all?
It's manga from Japan and some novel from from China.
Oh, wow. So, are you good reading on? Is that on Chinese character or there has a translator?
Oh, what? Sorry.
Oh,
I can listening clearly.
Yeah, what I'm asking you mentioned that those magazine are most of them are from Chinese and other as from Japan. So
Yeah.
is those character have a writing there? So is that all Chinese character or they have translated on English?
It's that they own translating to Vietnamese.
Ah, all right. Okay, I know it. All right. So thank you so much for that.
Thank you for listening.
Okay. Yeah, sure. We are open to listen.
Very, very funny.
We are good in listening. Okay. Yeah. All right. So yeah, we don't have any talent for reading rain, right? So maybe let's move on. All right. So thank you so much. Let's have price conscious. Okay. What about price conscious? Are you when you are going to shopping, guys? Like are you one of the people who checking the price first before we buying the clothes or shoes, Mr. Tommy? Are you like you see or you see clothes hanging on the rocks? Are
Yeah,
you one of the people
yeah,
looking at the price?
of course. Yeah, I am. Yeah, I need to know the price before I buy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like how about you really like those clothes and then it's too expensive. So will you still buy it?
No.
No.
Yeah, yeah, I am. I think I will spend too money for anything. Um, you know, don't like much anything. I don't like too much anything, so I can wait. I can wait. I can wait for later time for later thing. Not need to not need to spend a lot of money for this one in that time. Yeah,
Oh,
I can
all
go. Yeah.
right. All right. So that's so nice. Yeah. Wow. You mean that, okay, you will not spend a lot of money for the piece of clothes.
Yeah.
Is it? Yeah. Me too. If even I like it, then all right. So yeah, maybe next time. All right. So thank you
Close,
so much.
for close.
Yeah, for clothes.
Yeah. Sorry, I mean, I said about the manga. Yeah, when I missing a chapter, um, a book for the list for the manga list, so I can wait for later later book, not when the seller, some seller will sell expensive for that, but I can
Uh-huh.
wait. Yeah, I can wait for later thing about
Oh.
yeah about clothes, the clothes. I really not I'm really um not a fashion man, so yeah I don't care much about clothes. Yeah, yes. So um mm, I um I don't care about the clothes, so I will don't spend much money for us. Yeah.
Oh, all right. So correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, so I understand that if for magazine or for a mangas, for if you have some list or if you have missed
Yeah.
some magazine or a new or a latest magazine, so even it's expensive or even it's expensive, you will buy it for
Oh no,
magazine.
no, I can go
You
editing. Yeah.
Oh, you can, yeah. Ah, all right. So thank you so much for that.
Yeah.
Okay, and for the clothes, you will not buy expensive clothes.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, very good. Okay, all right. So thank you so much for that. All right, and then let's move on to Noreen. How about you, Noreen? Will you look at the price tag before you buying clothes or things you want to buy?
Uh, I think not only me, um, many more women will buy buy many clothing. Uh, I often go to family story and no fry run. So when I buy a clothes in special, uh, I will buy all before buying.
Oh, so you are also price conscious. You also
Yeah,
look as looking at the price.
yeah.
Are you? Oh, all right. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Also me. I'm always, I'm always looking at the price. You know, all right. As a mother, as a wife, so before I'm buying anything, of course, especially food, so, and especially clothes, I'm always checking the price first before I buy it.
Mm.
But of course, if for a food, we will also check the expiration date. Okay, guys? Yeah. All right. So thank you so much for that, guys. Okay, let's move on. Okay, for the price conscious. Okay. So comparing the price. How
Of course.
about this one? How about you, Mr. Tommy? Like example, you are go to the other shop. You see there that the magazine that you are searching is same for
Yeah.
the other shop. Will
Yeah.
you compare their price?
Yeah. I think I will. Of course. You know. Not me. I think everyone don't want to the stupid one when buy something. Um, I think I will I will compare the price between the same thing. The same thing because mm, we should to for we should to take pay attention to quality, not price to quality to the brand. But I am saying about the same thing. Yeah, we must compare them. Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I agree with that. So, yeah, of course, we are not only the one who, comparing the price, but
Yeah.
everyone. Yeah. All right. So maybe the richest people, maybe they don't comparing any price for other shop. They are only buying. But of course, as a normal people, we are always comparing price
Yeah.
before we buy it. Okay. Yeah, I understand. Thank you so much for that, Mr. Tommy. All
Yeah.
right. How about Miss Narine? Are you comparing price?
Uh, I think when I survey online, I usually comparing price is uh, many times.
Oh, yeah. Every time,
Yeah,
you mean? Every time.
yeah, every time. And I buy high value item. This is
Oh,
uh um um laptop and motor and this is
phone.
phone. Yes, I usually comparing.
Yeah. So that's, I think that's normal that we are comparing price for, before we are buying, because it's just the same brand, the same product. And of course, they are the same, manufacturer, of course. But, some sellers are sell higher price. Some seller are, selling a lower price. So yeah. So, but of course, before we buy, yeah, of course, online. For me, if we buy online, so we will also uh look at the reviews, right? Are you looking, or are you checking the reviews, Miss Rain, before you buy? Feedbacks, like people like I buy that shop before, and I gave some feedback for them. Did you do that to checking feedbacks?
Feedback.
Feedbacks. Yeah.
Yeah. Feedback. No. Sometimes I feedback because when I when I buy I join I join uh every time.
All right. Yeah. Okay. So thank you so much for that, guys. Yes. All right. So let's move on. Yeah. So I know everybody likes to travel. Okay,
Yeah.
traveling abroad. So how do you spend your money traveling abroad?
Abroad.
Yeah, abroad.
Mm, let me see. Yeah, I have one go to any other country.
Oh, so you haven't yet go abroad.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. I see. Okay. All right. So thank you so much for that. All right. How about Narain? Have you traveled abroad?
I travel abroad only Taiwan.
Taiwan.
Yes.
Wow.
The first I go travel abroad.
So
Cambodia.
that is your first time.
No, Cambodia. I know some.
Cambodia.
Oh, Cambodia.
Cambodia. I know. I know.
Oh,
I think I go to Cambodia in the future because
wow.
I have my friend and family live in Cambodia.
Oh, so you will visit them.
Yeah.
Wow. All right. So yeah. So happy trip soon. All right. So thank you so much for that, guys. Okay. Do you have any questions here?
No.
No questions. All right. Let's move on. Okay. Now, food. How will you spend your money for food?
Mm. Yes, because I avoid the drinking. When drinking, we need to eat food.
some snacks.
Yeah.
I know that. I'm not drinking, but I know that. You know,
Makes
I
sense. That makes sense.
I'm, I have something. I have something in mind when you told me when you have drinking, so you need some food. All right. Okay, go ahead. Please continue, Mr. Tommy.
it's it doesn't make sense.
Because if my office work, if my coworker come over here and drink some alcohol sometimes, because I'm not drinking alcohol, but my hobby is just picking the you know some snacks or some food. Yeah, that's why
Yeah,
I like. Yeah, that's why I like I have to be with someone who's drinking alcohol because I'm just picking their food and I
yeah.
make it.
In Vietnam we can đa si diệt mồi.
And what it mean? What does it mean?
I will write. You can search it, but I, I, I don't know. I don't know why say it to English.
Destroy food.
The chart food.
Destroy food.
Destroying food. Oh, yeah. I'm not the destroying. I'm finishing food. Yeah. So I always finish their food when they have, you
kill,
know,
kill, kill the food.
yeah. Yeah, that's why they told me, yeah, you drink some alcohol, not only picking the food.
That's right. That's right. Kill the food.
Yeah, but I'm not, I'm not in my because for me, yeah, I don't like, but not I don't like. I have allergy on alcohol. That's why I'm not drinking alcoholic or alcohol drinks.
Yeah, in Vietnam, I think